Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make mousse for your hair. First, gather your ingredients, including 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel, 1/4 cup of distilled water, and about 5 to 10 drops of your favorite essential oil for fragrance. You'll also need a clean spray bottle and a small mixing bowl. Having everything prepared beforehand makes the process much smoother and ensures you can mix your mousse without interruption. Now, let's mix our mousse. Pour the 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel and 1/4 cup of distilled water into your mixing bowl. Next, add your 5 to 10 drops of essential oil. Lavender or rosemary are popular choices for hair benefits and pleasant scents. Whisk these ingredients together vigorously for about 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture is well combined and develops a light, frothy texture. Once your mousse is mixed, carefully pour it into your clean spray bottle. Before each use, give the bottle a gentle shake to ensure all ingredients are reactivated and evenly distributed. Apply the mousse to damp, towel-dried hair. Focus on working it into your roots for lift and through your mid-lengths to enhance texture and hold. Use about 3 to 5 sprays, depending on your hair length. After applying the mousse, you can style your hair as usual, whether you prefer to air dry for natural waves or use heat tools for a more defined look. For best results and to maintain freshness, store your homemade hair mousse in the refrigerator. It should last effectively for up to 2 weeks. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals. Enjoy your beautifully styled hair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.